How GANs generate realistic images. In GANs, two neural networks engage in a competitive game. We have a generator network and a discriminator network. The task of the generator is to learn from data. Let's consider the example where the generator strives to understand and replicate the features of authentic currency bills. The discriminator neural network is tasked with determining whether the images generated by the generator appear real or fake. Initially, the generator struggles to deceive the discriminator. However, over time, on continuous learning and improvement, the generator reaches a point where it produces a currency that looks so authentic that the discriminator approves it, and that's how AI-generated realistic images are created. Want to learn about generative AI? Register for our masterclass on generative AI starting from January 8th on YouTube for free.